The winter morning nature of the villages of Bangladesh is very beautiful. A beautiful winter morning in a Bangladeshi village. Misty rice fields and blooming yellow mustard fields stretching across the countryside. Children walking along narrow village path, wrapped in warm clothes, some playing swings on the traditional wooden swings. The sun is slowly rising, casting a golden hue through the fog. Smoke coming out of small mud houses, villagers preparing breakfast, birds flying across the sky. Peaceful, serene nature, tropical, rural Bangladesh during winter. Viewers, please let me know how you liked this video by commenting, liking and subscribing. And if you already subscribed, thank you very much. Love your own life, stay healthy, stay beautiful.